Good morning, everyone. So I'm going to talk about a bit about circadian rhythm and the role of microbiome in impacting the circadian rhythm and how disruption in circadian rhythm can impact the functioning of microbiome as well, right? Even whole microbiome. Right? So we have heard a lot that you should not eat at late night. I've seen a lot of doctors or maybe other healthcare practitioners telling these are the research done only on rat and probably you can eat at 8, 9, 10, and so on, right? So I'm going to talk a bit about the science behind this. So there are, mammalian gut microbiome rhythmic variations as per the day and night cycle. So they are like we have a day and night cycle. These microbes living in the mouth and gut also have a day and night cycle, right? And the disruption of these cycles could cause circadian stress, right? Among microbiomes. So essentially, the cycling of this or the rhythmic variation of this uh, microbiome is impacted by own circadian clock and can be modulated by our timing of our diet, right? So essentially, it's a basic thing that at night when there is sleeping tired, diet system shuts down, and there are a lot of other repair functions and which goes on. So essentially, it should not be the right time to eat a lot of foods late at night because it could disrupt your microbiome, it could disrupt your digestive function. That's a basic thing, right? But I think there are a lot of influencers and all these healthcare fitness who are spreading wrong information. But here the thing is that there is a microbiome circadian rhythm which is there, right? And it has to be aligned with their own circadian rhythm, right? And again, some bacteria are active at night, some are not, right? And again, there's a lot of biological process which happens. So if you're eating late at night, say you're eating at 9, 10, 11 p.m. and you're sleeping late and you're impacting your circadian rhythm, your day and night oscillation cycle, diurnal cycle, right? It's 24-hour cycle. You're disrupting a 24-hour cycle. So essentially, it creates a microbial stress response, right? So there's a circadian stress, right? When you are eating a lot of these food late at night, and it makes your bacteria feel that yes, they are being attacked by some of the bacteria or fungi or something, and they start living. There is a survival mechanism or a productive mechanism that is serving in the talking called lipopolysaccharides. And LPS as is the most harmful, potent poison for our biology, for our body. So it first of all, it is one of those microbial metabolites that is linked with obesity and type 2 diabetes. And that is the reason people say that, if you're eating late at night, probably you may gain weight, right? Uh, Second thing is that it could cause neuroinflammation, right? LPS could move to your brain, right? Blood-brain barrier and can do inflammation. It can lead to overexpression of inducible nitrogen synthase, which is again we know is a response to various inflammation going on inside our body, right? So this could suppress your cytochrome C, which is a green protein which is required in synthesis of ATP, which is a part of your electron transport chain. So it could impact your mitochondrial function. So that's why people who eat late at night or drink late at night may have that back pain, right? Or moments of anxiety and stress and depression, right? So essentially, there is a physical stress because of this endotoxin being produced by your microbiome, right? And there could be, it impacts your mitochondrial dysfunction. You could have back pain, you could have joint pains, you could have anxiety, stress, depression, right? Another recent research was found that, inflammation caused by P. gingivalis in the mouth, which is again linked to your dental pulp, right? It could lead to production of LPS, which could lead to neuron cell death. Again, this is something. So it can lead to neuroinflammation, impact your brain health as well, right? So this so all things is interconnected. So it's you should avoid eating late at night. Probably you should avoid eating anything post sunset, right? And let's have the human being as our ancestors were, right? So we used to get up early and we used to sleep early, right? So that is what I also follow. I get up at 4 in the morning, and 6:30 is my last meal, right? And again, there's a time restricted feeding which regulates or which aligns your day night cycle, your host, your own circadian rhythm with that of your microbiome circadian rhythm, which is another key aspect of your regulating your metabolic activity, your metabolic health, your cardiovascular health, your brain health, your immune function, right? Number of things. So essentially, whatever people may say, okay, some may say, just count calories, doesn't matter if you're eating late at night. Probably they don't understand the human biology or the human biochemistry also. So, so do not stress your microbiome. Obviously there isn't stress you have from your work, from your relationship, from your financial stress, but they are stress because of uh, wrong eating the food at wrong time, which could cause a stress in your microbiome. There's a response from gut microbiome, which could cause anxiety, stress, depression, so secretion of LPS. And again, this is one of the most potent poison, right? So that is what I want to share today. Focus on the right time. Do not avoid eating late at night, avoid drinking late at night. Have at least 8 hours of sleep, sound sleep. Uh, have a good deep sleep, and that sleep, right? That is really, really important. Right? So that's it today. Have a good day. Thank you very much.